Let's take a look at using the quotient rule with negative exponents. So we have x to the ninth divided by x to the negative fourth. I'm going to show you two ways you can approach this. So the first way is just using the quotient rule, which allows us to subtract the exponents. So we're going to say this is equal to x to the ninth minus negative 4. And we know that x to the ninth minus negative 4 is the same as saying x to the ninth plus 4. And so we get x to the power of 13. Let's try this again. Starting back fresh, we have x to the ninth divided by x to the negative fourth. Instead, we can begin with taking the reciprocal of x to the negative fourth. So we're going to take that across the fraction bar. So I'm going to rewrite the question as x to the ninth times x to the fourth. And now I have a product. So instead, I'm going to add my exponents. X to the ninth plus 4. And we get the same answer, x to the 13th. All right. I want you to try one on your own. You have y to the 7th divided by y to the negative 4. Go ahead and pause the video and try this one. Try it both ways. All right. So now that you've tried it, let's do it. We'll do it both ways. So we'll start with just using the quotient rule. So we have y to the 7th, and we're going to say minus negative 4. So that's going to give us y to the 7th plus 4, because the double negative gives us a positive. And our final answer is going to be y to the power of 11. All right, now what if you decide I'm going to take the reciprocal of any factor that has a negative exponent? So we'll take y to the negative 4 across the fraction bar. So we'll rewrite the question as y to the 7th times y to the 4th. And then since we're multiplying, we'll add the exponents, y to the 7th plus 4, and that gives us y to the 11th power.